Have you ever wondered why people can tell when you are read their WhatsApp messages? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable read receive on WhatsApp step-by-step guide. Whether you are using Android or iPhone, the process is quick, simple and easy to follow. So let's jump right in. First, go to the app drawer and find the WhatsApp. If you don't find it, don't panic, use the search bar and type WhatsApp. The app appear. Once you found them, tap to open it. After open the WhatsApp, look for the top menu bar, tap on the three dots more icon. If you are using iPhone, don't panic. Look at the bottom menu and here you can find the settings icon, tap to open them. If you are using Android phone, the pop-up menu will appear, tap on settings. In the settings page, scroll down a bit, find the privacy option, tap on them. Once you are in the privacy section, scroll down a little, find the read receipt option. If turn off, you won't send or receive read receipt. Read receipt are always sent for a group chat. Simply tap to turn it on. That's wrap up this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, subscribe for more quick and easy tech guide. Thanks for being here and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.